1976 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. She is on air ride. When we do the startup, I let her up and we'll do another walk around. She has the Cadillac 500 cubic inch 8.2-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and bows, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels, guys. Paint is in driver quality condition. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is absolutely beautiful. She already got sound. And check it out. She does have the lamp monitors for your turn signals and high beams. Driver side frame, passenger side. Deck lid. She already wired for sound. And the trunk is automatic latching. Interior's in good condition. She got power windows, power locks. Seats show minor wear. Headliner. Mileage reads a little over 85,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat in good condition. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the Cadillac 500 cubic inch 8.2-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has power brakes, AC, power steering. Let's start her up. Make sure y'all go visit rollingmuseums.com. We have over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information going to be in the description below. It's the biggest engine put in a production vehicle. Thank y'all guys for watching, and y'all have a good one.